Unbox and get started with professional-grade laser detection. All accessories included: user manual, line laser receiver, clamp bracket, Type-C cable, switch between precision modes for varying job needs, dual LCD displays and bubble levels for multi-angle precision, compatible with red and green lasers for all lighting conditions. Optical and acoustic signals help you locate the laser playing quickly. Built-in rechargeable battery, quick charge, ready for use anytime. Perfectly compatible with multiple laser levels for various tasks. The LG-REC01 laser receiver, precise, convenient, and your perfect tool for any job.